Today, we will do a lot of oral questions and answers from chapter 12 of your new Mulberry English course book 5 by Anahit Ali. For those who are new here, I'm Melaine from English Made Easy. This is the channel for you to watch if you want help with your English language and English literature lessons. So do consider subscribing as that will help you to receive all the lessons that I post. And if you click the bell icon next to the subscribe button below, you will get notified each time I post a new video. The lesson we are doing today is Tales of Young Gandhi. Like yesterday, I will give you some written questions to do as well. So do keep a notebook and pen with you before you begin watching this video. I will ask you a question, give you some time to answer it, and then I'll tell you the answer. And in between, you will get those written questions to do. All right? Let's begin. Keep your notebook and pen ready. Tales of Young Gandhi. Here's your first oral question. What does Mahatma mean? Mahatma means great soul. Your second question. On which coast is Gujarat? Gujarat is on the west coast of India. Your third question. Where was Gandhi born? Gandhi was born in Porbandar, Gujarat. What was Gandhi's father's name? Gandhi's father's name was Karamchand. What was Gandhi's mother's name? Gandhi's mother's name was Putlibai. Learn the spellings too. How many sisters did Gandhi have? Gandhi had one sister. How many brothers did Gandhi have? Gandhi had two brothers. Let's take a break from the oral questions and get to one written question. Are you ready with your notebook and pen? The first question. What proof do we have that Gandhi was not a dunce? Your next oral question. Was Gandhi the youngest child? Yes, Gandhi was the youngest child. When was Gandhi born? You must learn the date. The answer? Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. Be very careful to get the date right. Your next oral question. How old was Gandhi when his father moved to Rajkot? Easy one, isn't it? Gandhi was 7 years old when his father moved to Rajkot. And your next oral question. Why did Gandhi's father move to Rajkot? Gandhi's father moved to Rajkot because he joined the Rajasthani court there. Your next oral question. Did Gandhi concentrate on his lessons? No, Gandhi did not concentrate on his lessons. Let's get back to the written question that I gave you, written question and answer, and see if you got the answer right. What proof do we have that Gandhi was not a dunce? Your answer should be this. We know that Gandhi was not a dunce because he got scholarships for 2 years. We know that Gandhi was not a dunce because he got scholarships for 2 years. Let's see the next question, and then you can think of the answer and write it down while we go through the oral questions. What helped Gandhi to understand geometry better? Think of the answer, write it down. We'll be back with the answer soon. Your next oral question. Why did Gandhi bury his head in a book? Tell me. Gandhi buried his head in a book because he was shy. That's the answer. Your next oral question. What got Gandhi scholarships for 2 years? There were two things, so name both the things. Gandhi's luck and a small bit of merit got him the scholarships for 2 years. I hope you know what the scholarships were. 4 rupees and 10 rupees. Okay? Your next oral question. Which subject did Gandhi find challenging? Challenging meaning not easy to understand. Which subject was that? Think. Which subject do you find challenging, by the way? And which subject did Gandhi find challenging? The answer is Gandhi found geometry challenging. I hope you got that right. Your next oral question. Which subject did Gandhi find harder than geometry? Why? Got it? Gandhi found Sanskrit harder than geometry. Why? Gandhi found Sanskrit harder than geometry because he had to learn everything by heart. Don't say because he had to by heart everything. That is wrong English. Okay? You have to say because he had to learn everything by heart. Or you can also say because he had to memorize everything. Okay? Now, learning by memory can be really challenging, isn't it? And I advise you to never do something like that. Don't try and learn things by memory. Don't try to learn things by heart. Because what happens is when you learn something by heart and you forget one word from between, it can change the meaning of the entire sentence and you can get the whole sentence wrong. However, if you understand what the answer is and you write it in your own words, you can never get it wrong. So try and understand and write in your own words. Try not to learn by heart. Okay? Let's go back and see if you got the answer right now. So, this was your question. What helped Gandhi to understand geometry better? What was it? The answer is Gandhi worked hard to understand geometry better, and he did. His hard work helped him to understand geometry better. Here's your next question. Give two reasons why Gandhi almost switched to Persian. You can think about that answer till we get back. Here's your next oral question. Why did Gandhi continue learning Sanskrit? Gandhi continued learning Sanskrit because his Sanskrit teacher was saddened by his decision to leave the subject and switch to Persian. And his Sanskrit teacher persuaded him to learn Sanskrit by telling him that it was the language of his religion. Very long answer. You can write it in your own words. Your next oral question. What was Monia? You know, Monia was a nickname given to Gandhi by his family. Your next question. Why did Gandhi avoid talking to his schoolmates? He avoided it all the time. He did not like to stay back and talk to his friend. Not friends, schoolmates. I can't even call them friends because you become friends with someone after you talk to them. But Gandhi did not even want to talk to them. Why did he avoid talking to them? Why did Gandhi avoid talking to his schoolmates? The answer, Gandhi avoided talking to his schoolmates because he thought that they would laugh at him. He was too shy to talk to them. Okay? Your next oral question. What was Gandhi's headmaster's name? You have to learn all these names and the spellings as well. Gandhi's headmaster was Dorabji Edulji Gimi. Which games did Mr. Gimme make compulsory? I can call him Mr. Gimme. Okay, I don't have to say Dorabji, Edulji, Gimme. So can you. Mr. Gimme made gymnastics, football, and cricket compulsory. Your next question. Why did Gandhi shirk from them? Why did Gandhi avoid playing these games even though they were compulsory? See, there are different ways in which the same question can be asked. So, understanding the text is very important. Why did Gandhi shirk from them? Gandhi shirked from them, or Gandhi avoided them, because he was too shy. He was shy on the playground as well. Your next question. What kept Gandhi strong and healthy? Gandhi went for regular long walks in the open air, and that kept him strong and healthy, or fit and robust. Those are the words used in your book, and you could have different words used in your question. You should not get confused when you hear similar words, synonyms. They're called synonyms, words that mean the same. Therefore, I repeat again, do not learn anything by heart. Okay? Understand everything. Let's get back to that answer that you wrote now and see if you got it right. Give two reasons why Gandhi almost switched to Persian. The answer, Gandhi almost switched to Persian because he heard it was easy and the teacher was lenient. These are the two reasons. It was easy and the teacher was lenient. Okay? Your next question. What did Gandhi do when he realized that physical training was as important as mental training? Think of the answer, write it down, and we'll be back to check it. Your next oral question. Why did Gandhi want to skip gymnastics one day? Gandhi wanted to skip gymnastics one day because his father was sick and he wanted to go home early to attend to his sick father or to look after his sick father. Your next question. Did Mr. Gimme accept Gandhi's request? No. Mr. Gimme did not accept Gandhi's request. Why? Mr. Gimme did not accept Gandhi's request because Gandhi was always shirking from compulsory games, or Gandhi was always avoiding compulsory games. Your next question. What time was Gandhi's compulsory gymnastics class? Do you remember the time? Gandhi's compulsory gymnastics class was at 4 o'clock. How did Gandhi miss it? Did he miss the bus? No. How did he miss it? Gandhi missed his compulsory gymnastics class because he had no watch and he miscalculated the hour. Or you can say he miscalculated the time. Okay, let's get back to that answer. Let's check if you got the answer right. Okay. What did Gandhi do when he realized that physical training was as important as mental training? Your answer? When Gandhi realized that, he made it a habit to go for long walks in the open air. That's the answer. The next question. Give reasons why Gandhi missed his compulsory gymnastics class on Saturday. You should remember the answer because we just went over it. So let's get back to the answer in a short while. In the meantime, we'll go back to some oral questions and answers. Your next oral question. Did Gandhi tell Mr. Gimme the truth? Yes, Gandhi told Mr. Gimme the truth. Did Mr. Gimme believe Gandhi? No, Mr. Gimme did not believe Gandhi. Why? Mr. Gimme did not believe Gandhi because Gandhi always avoided compulsory gains. Your next oral question. What was Gandhi's punishment for missing his compulsory gymnastics class? As a punishment for missing his compulsory gymnastics class, Gandhi had to pay a fine of 1 or 2 annas. 1 or 2 annas. How many words did the students have to write for their spelling test? The students had to write 5 words for their spelling test. Who was the supervisor who encouraged cheating? What was his name? The supervisor who encouraged cheating was Mr. Giles. Learn the spelling. Name one word that Gandhi could not spell. Gandhi got all 5 words right, wrong, but there was one word mentioned in the text that Gandhi could not spell. What was that word? You know? One word that Gandhi could not spell was kettle. The next question. Why did Gandhi get all the words in the spelling test wrong? All the other children got everything right, but Gandhi got all the words wrong. Why? Gandhi got all the words in the spelling test wrong because he refused to allow the supervisor, Mr. Giles, to help him. You could be also asked this question in a different way. Why did all the boys get all the spelling words right? All the boys got all the spelling words right because Mr. Giles, the supervisor, encouraged cheating. The last oral question for today. Did Gandhi lose respect for Mr. Giles after that day? No, Gandhi did not lose respect for Mr. Giles after that day. Even though he believed that what Mr. Giles did was wrong, he still respected him. And we have an answer to check, so let's get back to that and check that answer. Give reasons why Gandhi missed his compulsory gymnastics class on Saturday. The answer: Gandhi missed his compulsory gymnastics class on Saturday because he had no watch and he had miscalculated the time. I hope you got the answer right. Did you? Did you find today's lesson useful? If you did, do hit that like button and share it with your friends. I'm sure they need to revise this lesson as well. Thank you for watching today's video and we'll meet again soon, very soon. Okay, until then, bye.